cravings. Today we are back in the garden city of Bangalore, but this time we have come to Christ University's central campus. University life is not all about books and staying up late studying, but it's a lot more about food than we think it is. Today, we will be exploring all the late night ramen hotspots and the shawarmas and rolls that we have in SG Palya as recommended by the students that go to this university right here. So let's get started and check out SG Palya to see where Christ food scene lies today. What are the places you like to eat at around college?
So depends on the cuisine. So there's this place called Wiki Wiki right here. If I want to have something light, a wrap or maybe something pure vegetarian, I'll just get a wrap from here.
I go to Wiki Wiki a lot.
Yeah, even I go to Wiki Wiki a lot. I like their Chinese curry rice and the wrap over there. And the plus point is that it's hygienic.
Very good North Indian food. I think Food Junction, like just across, is very yummy. The food is very cheap also, and it's super very yum.
There is one near Backgate called Food Junction, and I'm a South Indian, so I crave budget North Indian food like naan and all that.
If I want to get something North Indian to eat, there's a place called Food Junction right there. If I want to get something in non-veg, maybe shawarma or something else, there's Bacon Juice right here. So yeah, it depends.
तो सर आपके रेस्टोरेंट पे सबसे ज्यादा क्या ऑर्डर करते हैं बच्चे?
सबसे ज्यादा शॉर्मा और बिरयानी, ग्रिल चिकन बिरयानी, शॉर्मा में और रेगुलर शॉर्मा और रुमाली शॉर्मा, फुल मीट शॉर्मा, जंबो शॉर्मा, ये सब है।
और जो आप खाना बनाते हैं कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक ब्रांड का इंग्रेडिएंट है जो आप यूज करते हो कि?
ब्रांड बोला तो मेरा क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट आइटम, मेरा हाई क्वालिटी आइटम।
कोई ब्रांड है जिसका क्वालिटी आपको पसंद है आपके खाने में डालने के लिए?
हमारा अभी ऑयल का ब्रांड है तो सनप्योर, खाली सनप्योर यूज करता है। अभी चिकन तो डेली फ्रेश आता है, फ्रोजन यूज नहीं करता है।
So I'm going to be trying the Rumali shawarma from Bake and Juice today. This was very highly recommended, so I'm really excited to try it. Here goes nothing. It's very crispy. There's a good amount of sauce in it as well. Not bad. I quite like it. The flavor of the chicken is pretty strong as well. Like it's kind of roasted. Has a very distinct flavor. Now I'm going to be trying the grape juice. Interesting combination. Cheers. It's really good. It's really good. So we tried the Rumali shawarma and the grape juice, and they're both a 9 on 10 for me. I think this is a place that you should definitely stop by if you're around Christ or in SG Palya. This place is TYC approved. Junction, and I'm gonna try their butter garlic naan and the butter chicken, which was highly recommended by most of the people that we spoke to. It's very crispy, very hot. I'm gonna try the curry. Very flavorful. It has a hint of like what's the green lentil called? That's there. Curry is very well cooked. Let's try the chicken. It's not shredded, which I really like. Chicken is very well cooked. It's very soft and flavorful. The flavors like seep through the chicken, which is really good. I think I would rate the naan a solid 6.5. I think it could be better. It could be a bit more like toasted. The butter chicken though really good. I'd give that an 8.5. I think you should definitely try that. It's like comfort food, honestly. I would totally come here if I'm having a really hard day after a long day of college. Overall, 8 on 10. All things considered, I would totally come back here. As I said, after like a long day of college and have this butter chicken because it's really comforting. I think this place is TYC approved. Guys, we are at WikiWiki now, and this was one of the most recommended places that we got from all the people we spoke to. And I see why, because you can actually customize whatever you want on your own. So on this menu over here, they have a list of like all the toppings, fillings and sauces that you can use to customize your wraps, your bowls, fried rice and noodles and all of that. So today we are gonna customize our own bowl and see how we like it. Sir, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा क्या order करते हैं students? और कुछ फ्राइड राइस या नूडल्स में कुछ ठीक है ठीक है तो एक नूडल्स का बेस कर लीजिए एक सॉस टेरियाकी सॉस डाल दीजिए चाइनीज करी ठीक है चाइनीज करी सॉस कर दीजिए और सर एक शेक भी कर दीजिए हाँ जी एक चॉकलेट शेक नटी चॉकलेट शेक कर दीजिए Okay, so we have an order from WikiWiki with us now. We got noodles in the Chinese curry sauce with corn and paneer, and we have a nutty chocolate shake as a sweet treat. We're gonna try the noodles first. Side note, the quantity is actually really good, so it's very value for money. So I think I'm already gonna like this one. Because as college students, good quantity is really important. Noodles are really thick, so they're not as easy to chew as noodles from other places would normally be. I'm not sure if it's, I think it's probably cooked. I think the noodles they're just really thick. The sauce is really good though, it's very flavorful. I think this is like, kind of like your chatpata type of dish that you'd like to go for. I'm not a personal fan of the texture of the noodles. I think it's a little too rubbery. But not bad, especially for the price and the quantity, I think it's pretty good. So now we will try the nutty chocolate shake, which I was personally very excited to try. So here goes nothing, or nutting as you'd like. Okay, so now we are gonna try the nutty chocolate shake, which I was personally very excited to try because I'm gonna stir it a little bit, make sure it's all evenly mixed. There are actual nuts in it, guys. Okay, so here goes nothing. There's a nut stuck in my throat, but this is really good. I would totally buy this one again. This is really good. The chocolate is like very decadent, very thick, but like not too thick, and it doesn't overpower the nuts because you have like actual like almonds inside. I think this is pretty good. I would totally buy this one again. Overall, I would rate the noodles a 6 on 10. The texture I wasn't a huge fan of. It's a little dry for my taste as well. This one though gets a 9.5 on 10. This is really good. I would be happier if there was a bit more of it. Hence the 0.5 reducted. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, so overall, I'm not a huge fan of the noodles we had, but the milkshake was top tier. So if you're a fan of good milkshakes, I would say this place is TYC approved. So that was it for exploring the food scene outside Christ University at SG Pale. I think we discovered a lot of like food gold mines today. And if you go to Christ, or if you're just in the area meeting a friend, or just on Hosu Road, I think you should definitely stop by SG Pale and hit all of these food spots. Very affordable, very student friendly, great quantity, and a total experience that you must get. Thank you. See you next time.